Yes, both my guests to stay on with me. I'll come back to you in a minute. Now, health authorities in South New Wales have given an update on the victims of the Bondi Beach shooting who are receiving medical care. And the NSW Health now says that 27 patients are receiving care in hospitals across Sydney as of 5 p.m. local time on Monday, 15th December. At least 6 remain in a critical condition with the others. Now, Brigadier Rajan Jamwal, I want to take this point further with you. There's always a statement by Trump on every issue. He ends up also taking credit indirectly for Operation Sindoor. Why is he so soft on Pakistan?
General Dwivedi has already pointed out, you see, narrow personal gains. I mean, not even, when in Trump case, it is not even the Americans' gains. It is the personal gains, that cryptocurrency thing with Pakistan. I mean, anybody can, it is like almost open. Anybody with enough money or resources, he can bribe Trump or the Trump family. I mean, that is what is happening. So they have given him that deal of cryptocurrency. Then they showed him some, the rare earth, this thing on a platter, here we will give you. It's a question of time. Even Trump will realize, even China could not take them out of Baluchistan. How will they allow America to bring it out of Baluchistan? There is no way. There is no way. This thing. It is just a question of time. But end of the day, it is a narrow parochial gains. As far as Pakistan is concerned, it is incorrigible. I mean, that is the only way of existence it knows, and it will continue. It will continue. The ruling disposition there, it doesn't care about the people. I mean, it hardly matters to them. The corruption index in Pakistan is probably the highest in the way. And the only way out is the way the Chinese are doing. You see, why not there any terrorist attack in China? Or say even Poland? Or say even Japan? I mean, they have very clear-cut policies. So, the Western world, the other countries, would just have to follow. And countries like Pakistan will just have to lump it. I think that is the only way forward, and even Trump will realize sooner or later. Already there are too many, protests against him and his style, this thing. I mean, there are good chances that he could even be impeached midway, because the way he's going, I mean, his personal corruption is probably crossing all thresholds. So, I mean, I look at probably it's a question of a couple of 1 year or few months maybe, and the things will catch up with him. Already they are appearing to be catching up if we are following the US media. I mean, the way protests are coming up in different places and the petitions are coming up. Already 44 legislators of his have applied for this thing, declaring Asim Munir as persona non grata and stopping all aid to Pakistan. Even Shahbaz Sharif, they say they should not be welcomed in US. I mean, this is an embarrassment to Trump if you look at it. While he's trying to call them over for lunch, his legislators are saying he should be declared a terrorist. The field marshal as well as the Shahbaz Sharif. So it is not that what happening in the front is the only thing. There are a lot of undercurrents, and they are happening in US also. This thing, and I'm sure seeing this, the other countries will also follow soon. And it's only a question of time. Yeah, over to you, Vishali.
Right. Major General G.G. Dwivedi and Brigadier Rajan Jamwal, thank you so much for joining me on the broadcast. And with that, we're slipping into a short commercial break. I'll see you on the other side.